Welcome to the School Rewards Me Admin Dashboard tutorial. At the top of the dashboard, the search button allows you to search for students and faculty inside your school and see their details. The Alerts button allows you to see recent announcements made for your school. The Tutorial button allows you to access a variety of tutorials for School Rewards Me. If you look next to your name, there's a drop down. This drop down allows you to switch between schools if you're in more than one school. Choose your preferred language and set your contrast mode on or off. In the left menu, the admin dashboard allows you to go to your home page. The goals section allows you to manage your goals, your students, and your teachers' goals. The user and roles section allows you to manage your users, edit, and add them, allows you to see their details. The courses section allows you to manage your courses, add, edit, delete those courses and add students to them. It also allows you to view the courses for all of your school and the teachers that teach them. In the rewards section, you can manage your store, your inventory, your categories, and your access groups. In the points section, you can set your point goals, your school focus, create point types, give points, and import bulk points with a CSV, giving all of your students or all of your faculty points. In the teams section, you can add, edit, and create teams, add members to the teams, and give points to those teams. In your reports section, you have a points adjustment report that allows you to view if points have been removed from students who removed them. It gives you a student points report that allows you to see what points students have been awarded, who awarded those points, and the date and times those were awarded. In the teacher points report, you can see the points the teachers have rewarded, who they've rewarded them to, the type of points, and the date and time those points were awarded. Your sales report allows you to see what items are selling, when they sold, the dates and times that they were sold. In your team points report, you can see how many points each team has been awarded. In all of these reports, you can sort by date and time range, and there's searches. They are also all exportable to a CSV. In the run drawing, you can run random drawings, allowing you to choose whether you're going to do random drawings for students or teachers, whether they have to have points, and how many people you're going to draw. The winner history allows you to see who has won those random drawings. And the announcements, you can create announcements for your whole school that your teachers and students will see. In the settings section, you can drag and drop a school icon, set your time zone, set your name, your preferred name, drag and drop a profile picture, set your default language and accessibility mode, whether that be high contrast or not. In the main dashboard section, you'll see a points trend letting you know how points have been being given out. Your weekly goals, your min, your max, and how many you've currently given out. Your school focus, your student demographic and your faculty, how many students we've imported and how many faculty for your school. Your student watch list, this would be students that you're giving extra attention to and encouragement, maybe letting them know, we hope you have a nice day, it's good to see you here. Your teachers that have given out the most amount of points, the teachers that have given out the least amount of points in your school, the students that have received the most amount of points for that week, and the students that have received the least amount of points for that week. You can see your student promotional items, your teacher promotional items. If you have Teacher teams, you can see each one of the teacher teams, how many points they've been awarded or won. And on your student teams, you can see your student teams and how many points each one of those teams has occurred.